These road demons are everywhere on the Trans-America Trail. They're really there to make the dirt roads better, but there are some hidden dangers that you need to know about. First of all, what are they? They're road graders, and road graders are designed to improve and repair road surfaces, getting rid of the ruts, potholes, and washboards that make riding dangerous. But in the short term, they have profound dangers of their own, especially for the TAT rider. There are 3 real dangers for motorcycle riders on the TAT or any dirt road. Windrows. In the examples below, you will see the obvious destruction in the center of the road known as a windrow. This mess in the middle usually indicates that the grader is on his first pass and will soon smooth this center section down on the second pass. This is mostly an obvious obstacle, but it may have hidden dangers below the surface, so use caution when crossing over a windrow. After the operator finishes a section, the obvious problems will no longer be visible or obvious. Industry standards dictate that a freshly graded road should be compacted, but I have never seen this in action. Sadly, what most graders are relying on is other vehicles to do the compacting, and this leads to the other hidden dangers, the things you will not see. Loose roadway. Very often there is a fluffy mixture of soil, gravel, and sand. Imagine riding in sand or loose gravel just all of a sudden when it appears that you are riding on smooth, flat road. This can be very dangerous on slopes and turns especially, so watch out. Big rocks. Big rocks pulled up from the road, hidden just below the surface of this fluffy mess. I have narrowly missed soccer ball sized rocks that were well blended into the fluff and even hit many softball sized rocks at speed. These can damage you and or your machine and throw you off your line and off the road if you're not careful. Tips. First pass, I suggest you stay on the ungraded side as long as you can, crossing over when it is safe, or when you feel the surface is better on the opposite side. When riding on a freshly graded surface, slow down and be aware that the surface consistency can change very quickly, and you never know what is just below the surface. Enjoy the ride and realize that there are many more obstacles and hazards on the TAT. Click here to see what other hazards they are.